Okay.
सर आपका आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है.
So everyone open page number 47. Open page number 47. Okay. Okay, my dear students.
ओके सर. सर साउंड नहीं आ रहा है.
So first question, fill in the blanks. First, fill in the blanks. Okay. So in fill in the blanks, first question, blank space is a set applied to objects so that they can move in any direction during the slideshow. So answer is animation.
एनिमेशन.
Good. Second question, blank space which can be animated are text, graphics, chart, images, etc.
ऑब्जेक्ट.
Third, why animating object may blank space or blank space. So answer is
डिसअपियर और मूव.
move. Okay.
7-10
2 मिनट बचा हुआ.
2
Appear, disappear or move. Okay. Okay.
यस. ओके सर.
Yes, good. Next questions. Moving forwards to the next slide or going back to previous slide during the slide, so each called slide transition. Yes, answer is slide transition. Next, blank space option will apply the selected transition settings to all slides. It is apply to all. Yes, apply to all. Okay. Next,
Yes.
blank space can be added from computer music file clip organizer to CD audio track. So answer is sound.
Sound.
Yes, all of you retain.
Yes, sir.
Any repetition? No. Again repeat. First answer animations. Second objects. Third appear, disappear or move. Fourth slide transition. Fifth apply to all. And sixth sound. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next, true false. Next is the true false. Animating object in PowerPoint is possible. True or false?
True. True.
Good. Yes. Next. Yes. We cannot insert our own sound in a slide.
False.
Yes, good. Action buttons can play movie clip during slideshow?
True.
True.
Yes. Next, hyperlink can only be internal.
True. True.
True.
Good. Animation can make an object appear and move during the slideshow.
True.
Good. To import outline text, we can import from a sound clip.
False.
False. Yes, very good, students. So, objective question completed.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next, multiple choice question. Multiple choice question. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Check where is the eraser me. First multiple choice question. Animation is /R. Animation is
Move.
/R.
Move.
Move, appear, disappear.
Answer. Yes, answer is B. All the above. Okay. All the above. Written. Written.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, we can insert sound from clip organizer or
CD.
blank space.
Audio.
CD audio track. CD audio track.
CD audio track. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, an action button can externally hyperlink a web page and an email address or a blank space. Answer.
Slide
Slide
at the same presentation.
Good. Hyperlink may be blank space. Answer is internal.
Internal.
Good. Transition effect is R blank space. All of
Dynamic
the
content. Dynamic content.
no, all of the above because subtle V, exciting V, dynamic contains also. So all of the above. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
In PowerPoint, we can import data from other
Word.
other. Answer is
Sir, word. Word.
no. Good. So all of you retain.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes.
So multiple choice first questions answer D. Second answer is C. Third answer A. Fourth answer A. Fifth answer D. Sixth answer A. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Question
first
answer
का क्या
already. फर्स्ट का डी, फर्स्ट डी, ओके।
Yes, sir.
यस, गुड। जंबल वर्ड आप लोग बना लिए थे।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
फर्स्ट का
Yes,
आंसर
sir.
बोलिए।
Animation. Animation.
गुड। सेकेंड,
Action.
थर्ड,
Disappear.
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 फोर्थ,
Hyperlink. Hyperlink.
गुड। फिफ्थ,
Exiting.
Sir, fifth number.
फिफ्थ बोलिए।
Exciting. Sir, exciting.
एक्साइटिंग, यस। सब बना लिए हैं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
और मैच द फ्लोइंग।
Yes, sir.
फर्स्ट,
Effect.
फर्स्ट का
Effect.
गुड। सेकंड,
Hyperlink.
Hyperlink.
थर्ड,
Subtle.
Subtle.
फोर्थ,
Recorder.
Excel.
Recorder.
एंड फिफ्थ,
Excel.
Excel.
वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट्स। So all three chapter, all questions answer we are already discussed. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question answer already completed. Good. Yes, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes. And now I am giving some questions, objective question to learn. Okay.
Sir,
Now I am
आपने
giving. Yes, बोलिए।
सर आपने चैप्टर 2 का ट्रू फॉल्स डिस्कस करने के लिए बोले थे।
चैप्टर 2 का ट्रू फॉल्स नहीं हुआ है।
नो सर।
ओके, फर्स्ट का आंसर क्या था? पेज नंबर निकालिए 34।
Sir, first answer false.
यस, फर्स्ट फॉल्स, सेकंड ट्रू। हेलो,
यस सर।
थर्ड का आंसर बोलिए। ट्रू। थर्ड भी क्या है?
True.
फोर्थ का आंसर बोलिए।
ट्रू।
True.
फिफ्थ का आंसर बोलिए।
ट्रू।
True.
सिक्स का आंसर।
फॉल्स।
False.
सब तो डिस्कस हो गया था जी। ओके।
ओके सर।
Okay, so now listen students. Hello.
यस सर।
Now everyone's learn chapter 1, 2, 3. All three objective question now learn. I will ask now, okay?
सर सिर्फ ऑब्जेक्टिव ना।
Yes, now only objective. Then I will give subjective tomorrow for, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.